Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to link Ubisoft account with the PlayStation network. So for this, first of all you have to just open your Ubisoft account and then log into your account, and here you have to just scroll down and now you will find an option of account management. Just tap on it, and after doing so you will find here this type of the interface of your Ubisoft account. You can see here the different accounts here, then just click on the PlayStation network and here you will find an option of link. Just tap on it, and now you can see that link your PlayStation network account. Just tap on the continue option, and then this processing will take a time. After doing so you will find here such type of the interface of the PlayStation. So you have to just put here your details of PlayStation account, and by doing so your Ubisoft account will connect or link to the PlayStation network. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.